कदम महामंडळ सुमार 100 विजेर चलपी बशी हाडपाचे आसात। ह्यो इलेक्ट्रिकल बशी घेवपाक कदम महामंडळाक केंद्रा कडल्यान मदत मेळटली। नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबर म्हळ्यार राज्यांत 25 इलेक्ट्रिकल बशी हाडून येरादारी सुरू करतले अशी येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन म्हायती दिल्या। आरडीएक्सको खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
As we have pointed out, yes, we are in the process of getting electrical buses for Goa. I think 25 buses are arriving around December, and though they will be arriving much earlier, we will keep them ready for commissioning around November, December. So for the first time, Kadamba will be operating electrical buses through the central government. They will be giving us finances to get these buses, and we have asked totally for 100 buses. Though 100 buses also will not be enough, but to start with, before the end of this year, I will see that the electrical buses are operated by Kadamba Transport Corporation in the state of Goa. I can safely say this.